Are you tired of repetitive, time-consuming tasks in Excel? Look no further. Introducing Automnix, your go-to solution for all your Excel automation needs. At Automnix, we specialize in providing state-of-the-art Excel automation and Robotic Process Automation (RPA) solutions designed to streamline manual tasks and boost your business efficiency. Our team of experts is dedicated to transforming the way you work, helping you save time, reduce errors, and maximize productivity. We cater to a wide range of industries and offer tailored services that cover everything from simple Excel macros to complex RPA integrations. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, Automnix is here to revolutionize your workflow and elevate your business to new heights. With Automnix, you can expect increased efficiency, more accurate data, and the freedom to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Our cutting-edge solutions have already helped countless clients worldwide, and now it's your turn to experience the benefits of automation. Don't let manual tasks hold you back any longer. Get in touch with us today to discuss your automation needs and discover how Automnix can turn your ideas into reality. Our team is ready and eager to help you unlock the full potential of your operations. Contact us now and take the first step towards a more efficient future. Visit our website at www.automnix.com or email us at victor@automnix.com to start your automation journey with Automnix. We can't wait to work with you and help transform your business.